Well, thank you, Madam Director. Thank you. It's a pleasure to meet you again after our short meeting in Pacific Harbour at the Ministers of Fisheries for the Region meeting. I'm just going to make a short statement, and perhaps Madam would like to do the same afterwards. Madam Director General for the Foreign Fisheries Agency, Dr. Madumatavai Tupou Roseanne. I hope I've got that right. Colleagues, partners from the Foreign Fisheries Agency, and valued members of the media. Today is a significant day because we mark a momentous occasion in our shared journey to protect and cherish the lifeblood of our region, our fisheries. The waters of the Pacific do not merely represent a source of food or economic opportunity. They are an embodiment of our history, our culture, and the hopes we harbor for our future generations. Now, this MOU stands as a testament to our collective commitment to safeguard these waters and all the treasures that they behold. I am reminded of the calls of the Pacific Islands Forum leaders, a call to arms to protect what is rightfully ours, to harness the richness of our seas, and not just for profit, but for sustenance, for survival, and for the very spirit of the Pacific community. Our answer to the call is embodied in the agreement that we have formalized today. We are fortunate to have found allies in our mission. The Australian government, particularly the Department of Defence, has stood by us, recognizing the significance of our vision and lending their unwavering support. I would also like to express our appreciation to the Technology Service Corporation for undertaking the critical task of the aerial surveillance, and to the FFA for their pivotal role in spearheading the aerial surveillance program. Ladies and gentlemen, technology and surveillance are just tools in our broader strategy. The true power lies in our unity, in our shared vision, and in our unyielding determination. With the signing of this MOU, we pledge to work hand in hand, sharing knowledge, resources, and expertise. Together, we take a firm stance against illegal, unreported, and unregulated fishing activities. We fortify our border security and ensure our waters remain to be ours. In closing, I wish to emphasize that this is just the beginning. This MOU is not just an agreement. It is a testament to our shared dedication and a vision for a prosperous, sustainable, and secure Pacific. Together, as a united force, we will ensure the protection and optimal utilization of our oceanic treasures. Our oceans have nurtured us for millennia. It is our turn to ensure they remain pristine and bountiful for millennia to come. Nagabagalevu, and thank you.
Thank you very much, Honourable Minister. And at the outset, we thank you, through you to your government, the great government and Republic of Fiji, and to the people of Fiji, for your continued leadership in our tuna fisheries work. We recognize that without your steadfast support, it would be challenging for us as a region. And you lead us in so many ways, including in the tuna fishery space. So we recognize that, and we are grateful for that. Sir, we also recognize that when it comes specifically to the security and protection of our fisheries resources, Fiji has set a shining example for the rest of the Pacific in terms of how you organize yourselves and work as a team between the fisheries administrations and the broader law enforcement agencies. And we appreciate very much that national coordination, which is critical to ensuring that indeed we're able to protect our resources from national level to regional level. We also recognize that tuna fisheries, as you say, is a lifeline for our people. In fact, all of our fisheries resources. We are 96% ocean, so it highlights the reality for us in our relationship with our ocean. We also recognize that what you've spoken to in terms of the power of unity, we are firmly committed to that as FFA, and we stand ready to support Fiji and all of our members in ensuring that through that power of cooperation, we continue to harness the greatest benefits possible from our fisheries resources for our Pacific people. Minaka saka waka levu.